Donald Trump there in the lobby of Trump Tower with the CEO of Softbank. He said Softbank is going to be putting $50 billion, creating 50,000 jobs into the U.S. economy. Here with more is the author of The Coming Collapse of China, Gordon Chang, a big critic of China over the years. Gordon, good to see you. What does this signal to China right now, the fact that Japan is going to be putting $50 billion, forgive me, in?
This is what they really worry about Donald Trump. They worry, of course, about the phone call with Tsai Ing-wen, the Taiwan president, but really this is it. Because, first of all, you have investments that would have gone into China, but now they're coming to the United States. You know, if Trump is successful in reducing taxes and reducing regulation, he's going to create that 4% growth. That's going to create pressure on the renminbi, the Chinese currency. That's a real problem for China right now.
So China would have liked to have seen SoftBank put $50 billion into their economy.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And because SoftBank does have relations with China, this is important for them. So you have a continuing stream of investments that got to go somewhere. You know, and they're starting to divert away from China for various reasons. Some are going to India, some are going to Bangladesh and Vietnam, but we're now starting to see the stream of money come into the U.S. because of the optimism. You know, the Dow, 11 straight
and it's up again right now, up 22 points as we speak.
This is something that's got to worry China because they've got a very fragile economy right now. And, you know, they're dependent on us.
In other words, what you're telling me is, you know, the pie's only so, to a certain extent, only so big. And in other words, if we're going to continue to get more of it, it's going to come, or they may see this as it's coming at their expense.
Oh, certainly. You know, we're not in one of those robust global environments. You know, global GDP this year will increase 1%, maybe 1.5%. You know, trade is going to be very, very low if there's an increase, and it very well would be heading into a delinking of economies. So right now, you know, China, for instance, last year, their economy delinked from the global economy. They had 8.0% less trade. This year, it's going to be down about 7.5%. So China right now is in
what does it all mean? I mean, are they going to have to, you know, knock it off with some of the tariffs that are on our goods that are coming into their economy? How does this change? Are they going to have to stop, you know, depreciating their currency?
You would think so, but Xi Jinping, the Chinese ruler, believes in China first. He has been closing off the Chinese market to foreign companies. This has been going on now for about 3 years.
And this is one reason why you say that phone call was kind of a good thing, because it sort of destabilizes the situation in just a tiny way, enough to, you know, throw them off their game.
You know, what's happening here is that Trump has signaled that he is going to change foreign policy 100%.
Isn't it amazing? Amazing. Gordon Chang, thank you so much. We're going to be right back.